We have our own reporter Andira Putri and video journalist Lutfi Evan on the scene. Andira, what can you tell us about what happened today there?
Yes, Rory, Maria, and Alia, we're at Merdeka Palace, Central Jakarta, where earlier today, this morning, President Joko Widodo has opened the National Coordination Meeting, which focused on the growth of local products. So this year, they have a team of overseeing local products for an independent nation, and it focused on, like I mentioned before, the growth of local products in comparison with the imported ones. So on this event, several data has been presented, and one of them is about how our local products is actually thriving at the third week of May 2022. So like if we see the national e-catalogs, it has surpasses the imported ones, and also the realization local buying target has reached 45% of the total target, 400 trillion rupiah. So right now it has reached more than 180 trillion rupiah. It's a huge number. It's a huge increase compared to the previous week and the previous years. However, we are actually still left behind. It's because like there are still several prejudices about how the local product still has low quality, and also there is a difficulty in getting the access to get the local products themselves. So in fact, during the meeting itself, it has been stated that actually there are 842 imported products that the government has buy, which actually has a similar, like an equivalent products to the local one. So this statement, alongside with other statements about how the imported products, although we are thriving in the third week of May 2023, it's still many of people still looking for it, including from the internal party itself. So this actually gained attention from President Joko Widodo, and you're right, Maria, Rory, and Alia. So the president actually had a strong remark during the opening when he opened the event, and he mentioned that the importance of how we should continue to buy more local products to increase the local buyings, because it did not only affect about the in terms of the buying and trade itself, but also to other sectors such as the job field, because a lot of people were getting more works if we continue to buy local products. And also the president even make a comparison with several, so he actually gives some of the examples of the comparison between the quality and also the price between the local and imported products, and he gave a sense of urgency to respective parties, including several ministers who are also attended this event, which are state-owned enterprise minister Erick Thohir, as well as coordinating minister for maritime and investment affairs Luhut Binsar Panjaitan. So in front of the several ministers, he made a strong remark about how the ministers, the local and the central government, as well as the state-owned and local-owned enterprises, to continue buy local products. And for more details, here is the statement from Presiden Joko Widodo.
Tapi ini kan komitmen. Yang sulit itu merealisasikan. Itu tugasnya Bapak Ibu mengawal. Terakhir, sekali lagi saya minta untuk terus mengawal secara konsisten, jaga kepatuhan kementerian, lembaga, Pemda, BUMN, BUMD, agar memenuhi target belanja produk dalam negeri. Berikan sanksi yang tegas untuk ini.
Yeah, since this meeting is talk about supervision, like what has been mentioned by President Joko Widodo, once again he urged the government and also the respective agencies to continue supervise people in terms of local buying, as well as give sanction, especially for the internal parties if they didn't follow these regulations. And aside from that, today in the Merdeka Palace, it's actually quite a busy day because the president continue his schedule with other meetings from different sectors, from tourism to agriculture. And we will give you further update about this. Back to the studio.
Andira, thank you so much for the report from the Merdeka Palace in Jakarta.